Hello, my name is Assem, the instructor of the course. So, why should you learn Python? Here is a lot of good answers to that question. First, the Python language is expressive and productive. Often, you won't need to write much code because Python comes with a great standard library. Also, Python has taken a prominent position in web development, and it has become the leading environment for scientific computing. Also, Python plays an important role in deploying systems to the cloud. And Python technologies are at the center of a revolution in financial and other analytical fields. So, with Python, you can build everything from simple scripts to complex applications. You can do it quickly, you can do it safely, and you can do it with a fewer lines of codes. But that's just one part of what makes Python great. Python is a hugely popular and has a great community to support you when you run into trouble. Second, let's take a look and see what makes Python so amazing. First off, Python is used for automation and regular server maintenance. Second, you can use Python for complex scientific computations and graphs. Third, it's used for cross-platform desktop applications. Fourth, for Android development. Fifth, to build a website, back-end, and finally, for machine learning. Last but not least, according to some recent Stack Overflow analysis, Python is quickly overtaking other languages like Java, C#, C++, and PHP on Stack Overflow question views. And according to People, the popularity of programming languages index, Python is the second most popular programming language. Also, Python has the highest Spectrum ranking according to a recent IEEE Spectrum report, and the TIOBE index has Python in the top 5 of programming languages. Last, when you look at those big popular companies that are using Python, you should not have any excuses for learning the language, and why not starting today? Why should you take this course? And what makes it unique and special among other courses? Well, actually this is two courses on one, in which the goal of the first course is to provide you with the basic knowledge you will need to write effective Python scripts. We'll start with a bird's eye view of the language as a whole. The idea is to become familiar with the syntax of the language and get the big picture of Python. Then you will get in-depth details of each syntax, such as how types and values are related to objects in Python, how to use Python's control statements, conditionals, loops, functions, generators, decorators, and many other useful features. So, first you will have a vision of what the whole puzzle looks like as you gather all the pieces, and then you will take a deep learning of the language. In the second course, you will not just apply what you have learned so far, but you will learn how to become a productive Python programmer who can develop efficient and elegant code in an efficient manner. By selecting and taking advantage of the strongest third-party packages, I will introduce you to object-oriented and functional programming, which you will need to take your coding skills to the next level. I will recommend the best strategies to improve the performance of your code. And what makes the course so amazing is that we will make 3D images and movies with photographs taken by NASA's rover on Mars, and we will map the rover's progress through Marshall topography. We will implement a simple graphical programming language, and we will draw and paint beautiful fractals. But that's not all you will gain. By enrolling in this course today, you will find a challenge after you complete each chapter along with the appropriate solution to get the best practice. Now, who is this course for? Is for anyone looking to learn Python. So, whether you are a beginner that never programmed before, or programmers who know the basics of the Python language but want to take their skills to the next level, with over 100 lectures in this course, we offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no reason to hesitate. Enroll now, jump right into Python, and start creating your own Python program today.